Today, I'm checking out the Mocagen Switch controllers, and if you're serious about handheld gaming, this is the one to look at. What stands out to me right away is the comfortable grip and the full-size controller feel. It just looks like it's built for long sessions. It features Hall effect joysticks, which means no drift, no dead zone, and smoother movement. Whether you're into fast-paced action or open world games like Zelda or Mario Kart, this could help with precision and control. You also get wireless Bluetooth connection, programmable buttons, turbo function, and it even supports the Keylinker app, so you can even customize it to your playstyle. There's LED lighting with color and brightness options, and the battery lasts up to 10 hours. Plus, it charges with USB-C and even has room to store 4 game cards. Honestly, it's packed with features that make handheld gaming more fun and efficient.